Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to discuss about Maker and its AI-based forecast. Maker is one of the top 50 cryptos by market cap. You can see over here on Coin Market Cap. The price is at around $2,400. Market cap slightly above 2.25 billion. The performance over the last 7 days has been increased performance by about 5.5%. In terms of what Maker does about Maker, it's a governance token for the stablecoin DAI, and they allow users to issue and manage the stablecoin. In terms of when it was launched, 2015, it's one of the older cryptos, and then it's one of the decentralized cryptocurrency that is stable value soft pegged to US dollar, which is the DAI crypto. Maker tokens act as kind of voting share for the organization. And in terms of its AI, the price today is at around $2,400. 20 and the AI based forecast for Maker is a wider range. This is our machine learning model trained on Maker's price actions since 2017. You can see the similarity between this and the price action. If you go on the logarithmic scale over here, you can see it's kind of a range bound between $200 and about $5,000. That range over here is also, you can see, 250 between that and 5,300 during 2021 mania phase. Right now we are almost more than 100% away from the all-time high. Previous all-time high at around 5,400, current price at around 2,400. In terms of what lies in the store, the AI-based forecast says that at a base case, price action could be, again, none of the content on the channel is financial advice, but the forecast created using historical price and machine learning algorithms such as ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost says that the base case for Maker could be between $2,300 and $2,950 between now and November 2024. Although if like the market is bearish starting March April of 2024, we could see a price further slump between $1,000 75 and $2,000. That's the bear case. If on the other hand the bull case were to pan out, that is if the market and the macro environment were to turn bullish and crypto would if were to take part in the bullish phase of the market, Maker could be somewhere between 3K and about 15K. That's the AI-based forecast for Maker. Now we'll spend a little while before we discuss more about Maker. We'll spend a little while on the news over the last 24 hours. For the last 24 hours, the news related to crypto market has been bullish. Most of the narratives, such as Ethereum, investor accumulating steadily, as also Binance integrating USDT, uh, and also some of the new things done on blockchains, and also Ethereum restaking could create a new crypto bond market, which is a bullish narrative. Again, this is the overview of the news related to crypto. Looking at the PeakValley composite risk, which is our effort to analyze the top 100 cryptos by market cap and come up with one single metric how risky or less risky the market is. The key idea is when the risk levels are down here between 0 and 0.2, that's a good time, and the color code between blue and green, that's a good time to dollar cost average in. Whereas when the color code goes to orange to red territory based on your own risk level, that's a good time to get out of the market. This is not financial advice, but you can see the trend is clear since March, middle of March, when the risk was at around 0.38. From today, slightly above 0.2 level, the risk levels have gone down, and if they fall a bit further, the color code should change between from yellow, which is a neutral color, to um, green, which is a low risk environment. And this is calculated by multiple analyzing multiple risk factors of a price of a crypto, such as volatility, alpha, beta, Sharpe ratio, and percent drawdown. This provides one single holistic view of the risk reward at any point in time, and you can check out how it is calculated using the description here. Again, The last but not the least, related to the news, is the narrative cloud, which narratives are gaining some popularity over the last 7 days. Bitcoin, and then followed by the bullishness, which was missing yesterday. If you followed yesterday's video, you can see today the bullish narratives have taken back the charge from the bearish narratives which were popular yesterday. Ethereum, again, one of the more popular ones. ETFs related discussions, altcoins. Also, people are making predictions. This is all of the content related to crypto related on YouTube and X. And then meme coins are being discussed. Um, Definitely, some of the altcoins such as our Cardano, Polkadot, or even XRP are over here. So these are some of the popular narratives over the last 7 days. Why we look at it is it provides one single snapshot of what the crypto market is all about at this point in time. In terms of simple moving average related risk, this is Bitcoin plus Ether, how they are doing with respect to their own simple moving average, which is 20-week simple moving average. If they are too far gone, that usually signals a short-term bubble, like it did in early March of 2024 when the SMA risk was at 0.92 for BTC. Right now, the BTC SMA risk has fallen below the 0.4 band, so that is technically we are in a low risk environment. With respect to historical moves that Bitcoin has had, whenever it enters this low risk phase, you can see that there are instances, if it's a bear market, it can go back beyond the 0.2 level and again go back close to zero. But if the bull market comes back, this usually is a good turning point. So this again, you can check how it is calculated. Uh, yellow is kind of the moderate risk. Now we are in green in terms of Bitcoin's risks, but in terms of Ether, it's still in the moderate risk environment. Again, if Ether is in moderate risk, altcoins such as Maker, which are based off Ether, are either high risk or moderate risk at this point in time per this SMA analysis. We can definitely analyze more about Maker over here. We can do its SMA analysis over here. This is 20-week moving average based color codes assigned to the price of Maker. So for example, over here, today on June 21st, the price is at around 2431. The risk level is 0.16. That means Maker is spending its time in the second least risky band between 0.1 and 0.2. Going forward to check the check if it's discern whether it's Maker is overvalued or undervalued based on MVRV, which is my market value, realized value price analysis. The price is in blue, the MVRV Z score is in red. The key idea is, as this red line is above this zero threshold, that means Maker, historically speaking, is right now overvalued with respect to its MVRV Z score. You can check how it is calculated using the description over here. All of the charts that we are discussing are available on CryptoWeeklies.com. You don't have to pay or sign up for anything. This is freely available for all. In terms of regression analysis, this is the polynomial regression function. The base function is the line in pink, which is applied to the price of Maker such way that it represents a 50-50 split between the bullish phases and bearish phases of the Maker's price. So in terms of where we are definitely up below the bullish, so the fair value, which is at around 3300. If we go and check what is the one standard deviation peak and one standard deviation bottom, this is a 3 standard deviation. Yeah, so these two bands, you can see the price has a tendency to spend about 70% of the time within these two bands. Right now, price is coming up and trying to check if it holds this one standard deviation bottom currently at around $2,000. So that's again a good point to check. Good place to check whether the price holds this level. If it doesn't, then the secondary level is at all the way at around $1,200. We haven't seen those two standard deviation bottom. The last time we saw it was in 2020, so not even in this bear market of 2022. So maybe this is not a good regression analysis for point in time at around 2 standard deviation bottom. So definitely the 1 standard deviation bottom at around 2000 level, and 1 standard deviation peak right now for Maker is at around 5500 level. So these are the key levels to watch for Maker. In terms of its own DCA or regression analysis, we can get rid of some of the future predictions for now and do its price analysis in terms of its distance between the price and the regression function for a regression line for Maker. You can see that this regression line cuts the price action in two halves, the bullish half and the bearish half. Right now, as the price is above this regression line, technically speaking, Maker is in a bull phase, not in a bear phase like it was in January of 2023. You can see if these color codes would have come in handy in the DCA strategy at some of the lowest risk levels starting June 2022, when the price of Maker was sub $1,000 at one point at around 500 level. That's when the risk levels were the lowest. You can see this is fit to March 2020 as well. The similar risk levels were in at around December 2022. Nonetheless, right now per this analysis, the risk level for Maker is at around 0.30. So definitely not too high risk, but not too low risk as well. And as you can see that the price is kind of mean reverting away from the upper bands of 1 standard deviation or 2 standard deviation peaks, but to closer towards the mean value or the regression line in middle. So you can see the 1 standard deviation peak is, even 1 standard deviation peak was at around 2600. We had made in March of 2024 move above this 1 standard deviation threshold. Now that the 1 standard deviation band is kind of beyond us, the key level to watch is at around, per the regression fair value regression analysis, at around 1790. So this is again one of the key levels to watch in terms of price. And if it were to hold this level, it's a key idea to see if the color code shift from the the between 0.3 level to about less than 0.2 risk in terms of analyzing Maker's potential as a DCA vehicle. So with this, I would like to conclude the video summarizing the DCA strategy for Maker. Right now is at around 0.3 risk. The SMA is at less than 0.2 risk. So this is again pointing to risk coming down. The fair value analysis of per the polynomial regression at around $3,400 for Maker, in terms of discerning whether it's at this point overvalued or undervalued. Per the MBR analysis, it's overvalued. In terms of the AI-based forecast, we do have some of the key levels, the fair value between 2300 and 2950, and the bull case between 3K and 15 or 18K, and the bear case between 1K and 2.2K. So with this, I would like to say that again, Maker, one of the top 50 cryptos by market cap, having a significant presence in the market. This analysis, hope you found it helpful in your own uh, crypto journey. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.